fittings actually have centers. Every fitting has a center, and when we talk about making, makeup, or fitting allowances, most of you are learning from people in the field that, oh, they talk about this portion of the fitting and go, that's the fitting allowance, or that's the make-in, or that's the makeup. When we talk about fitting allowances, it's really from there to there, not that part. And if you ever want to be a teacher, the exam regarding teaching other students, whether it's at the high school level or whatever, you really, really have to know your business, because one of the things you're going to have to do to prove that you really understand it is actually put together 4 different arrangements using fitting allowances, offset coefficients, and things like that. Why do we talk about this and why we talk about it right now? Because there is not one of you that will get to an exam and not see a question that you're going to have to do calculations for offsets and fitting allowances. And we're kind of like taking you there right now, beginning tonight. So this is really good stuff. Good things to know. Look at the 90. Look where the center of the 90 is for a fitting allowance. And you're seeing the G and you're seeing the H. It's really the G portion. When you look at the G portion, if it was a 2-inch, it's 1 inch and 5/16. That's what you're really supposed to be measuring from.